National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cookdale, Boncarbo, and Segundo. This includes the following streams and drainages: Lorencito Canyon, Cottonwood Canyon, Colorado Canyon, Burrow Canyon, Wet Canyon, Riley Canyon, Wolf Canyon, Mulligan Canyon, Chinaman's Canyon, Chicosa Arroyo, and Depichapal River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.